Hey, what's up? It's Ronald McDonald. We're on a video marathon. I want to thank all the hardcore viewers. You guys are the ones showing up and watching all these vids. There's about 300, 400 of you, and that's pretty cool. And like I said on the last video, that's the reason why I'm going to keep going, you know. And it's nothing new under the sun. I'm not going to branch out. I throw in one of those slammers every once in a while, but I did that where it's a real thing where I go the ones that everybody loves, because the DTM can roll like that. I'm very aware of a lot of different things and can make it entertaining, but I got to strike. So then I'm like, okay, just tone it down, keep it cool. It's like, and then they'll just get the nuggets. I'll get the Google AdSense. Everybody will pick up a few nugs. I'll keep the show going. It's like a little thing, and then we don't make the big tech mad because they got to get their money from the whole stuff that they sell, which is inimical to your biological functions. But this, ladies and gentlemen, it's this one. This had a little schmutz on it. It's still got a little schmutz. There we go. I took that off and I used a towel. this one here I polished. But anyways, what I did, because one of the in the box, a couple of the oranges went off, and then the fruit flies attack it, you know. And then I just wanted to make sure there was no schmutz. So I took all these in the shower with me and rinsed them off one by one while I was cleaning off the sand. And now all these oranges are nice and clean, really clean. So this is going to be some premium OJ. I'm not going to sit here and juice these with you and try to talk about a bunch of stuff. I'll feel obligated. I kind of want to be quiet and maybe even actually listen to some. I don't really like to watch stuff. I like to listen to it. Can you dig it? I've been listening to some cool stuff, and I want to listen to some stuff while I juice. But I've got this whole thing. I'm gonna probably make like a gallon or more. I think it'll make more than a gallon, but we'll see. I get asked all the time about this juicer. It's called Zulay Kitchen, Z-U-L-A-Y Kitchen. It's very functional. Every once in a while you gotta tighten. Everything seems to be in good shape, and then you gotta oil this, but it's really heavy duty. Someone gave it to me about 10 years ago, and I've been schlepping it around ever since. And it's real heavy duty. There's good ones. I think this one is over the $100 range, and probably in this economy, somewhere in the 150 range by now or so. But the more you spend, not necessarily, but if you get a really good one, it's bulletproof. I haven't had to do anything, and I've used some other ones that are more swaggy and they kind of funk out, and they're not. This one's heavy, so you can work it. And if you're working it like this is going to be oranges. Then I'm going to do grapefruits next. I'll probably get a gallon. So I'm just going to click off the vid, and then I'll just do a little video editing, which means just splicing it together when I'm done with all this. And then I'll show you how to make the spritzers. It's kind of a cool way to either stretch out your money, which is what I do, because I get this for free, but I get these for free too. I mean, sorry, but sorry, not sorry. But most people don't. Like, free food everywhere, like too much more than you can ever drink, and you don't even eat because you're a goddamn little breatharian freak. I mean, I eat a little bit here and there. I love avocados, and I eat a few oranges, pineapples. I have a watermelon in the fridge. But mostly the coconuts. I just kind of drive around, climb a tree, drink a few, eat the meat out, peel it by the river. Anyways, super simple food. That's probably why I'm so skinny, but it's nice to be thin, because then you just have a lot more energy, I feel, and you're not managing all that muscle mass. But anyway, I'm going to juice all this. We'll see how much we get. Probably more than a gallon, I'm going to guess, but I'm going to do all this. It'll take me I'll let you know how long it takes me, and then I'll see you on the next clip, okay? And then we'll make some spritzers. Hey, all right, so it's Dan, and we're back, and 1 gallon for all those oranges. 1 gallon of orange juice took me about, 20, 25 minutes. And so now I'm going to put together the spritzer. Get rid of these little fruit flies. I'm going to go half and half on this one. So half quart of coconut water. So yeah, these are just nice, mostly, as like a sports drink or a detox drink, you know, but you take half, any kind of the fresh coconut water that you get, and then any kind of citrus or any kind of anything, really. Pineapple and coconut is really good. And then you have like, you know, it's just really awesome. And it's nice when it's cold, but if you're like living in a freezing place, you want to have it maybe room temperature or whatever. But that's the spritzer action. And these here are, I think these are like 15. And then these little ones are like 10 for the spritzers, you know. So anyways, that was that video. I'm gonna move on now to a little bit more alchemy. I'm gonna have me a nice drink of OJ myself and slam some cleanse powder. And yeah, I've got one more video that I'm gonna try to make today, maybe 2 more, and then that'll end the video marathon. Like my whole life is basically a video. Now the algorithms are not gonna do anything for me, but, and everyone gets saturated. They're only gonna give me a certain amount. That's okay, everyone can watch them later, because I'm gonna be going over to the Elite Video Club to do the 40-day water fast and hold space for that. So if you miss me, join the Elite Video Club, and then and come check out the 40-day water fast documentary. And if you want to get your health straightened out, it's actually really simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. And I can help you with that. Just send me an email at trueradianthealth@gmail.com and we'll get you on for a consultation. Thanks everybody. Aloha. Peace.